Welcome back friends, and in this tutorial I am going to cover how to increase the call volume on Android mobile. If low call volume is in your phone, means the volume in your phone is getting lower and lower, but that is coming. So what you need to do at that time I am going to cover in this tutorial. But before that, if you are new to the channel, please consider to subscribe this channel. So friends, not wasting much of your time, I will tell you that when you are facing that low call volume problem, then it must be strike in your mind that your speaker is healthy. So what you need to do, need to do only one thing. If we are going to a shopkeeper, he is also doing the same thing. What that thing? I will tell you later in the video, but before that you have to just test software test for your mobile. Suppose you have Samsung mobile, then star has 0 star has, and this will come. Then you can here see the speaker sounds. From here you can get assured that your speaker of Samsung mobile is working. And if suppose you have another mobile, Oppo mobile or any MI mobile, then the code is star has 6484 ##. As soon as you press the star, the screen will come, and that you can test the speakers just like you have did in this phone. If in that the speaker is not giving sound, then you must need to go to the shopkeeper for rectifying the issue. But if the sound is coming just like we have heard in the Samsung mobile, A31 mobile, then what you need to do to just get rid of that low call volume problem. Friends, I am going to tell you the most easy and the most affordable. Affordable means you need not to buy anything. So what you need to do, don't laugh, here is the speakers of A31. You have to take a thin thing for just to clear this. Actually the walls of the speaker are so tiny holes that if a dust is going, that are accumulating there. So you need to clean that dust with the help of brush, or you can take comb, or you can take Alpin, but you need to be very careful so that it cannot damage the walls of the speaker. So if you once clean that wall, your speaker, you will hear a loud voice during calls. This is for sure. This is not any technique. You need not to go anywhere. In fact, the shopkeepers where you are going, they are also doing the same thing. They are only cleaning that speaker's wall if the speaker is not damaged. So for that I have told you that codes. So this was all about today's tutorial. If you like this video, please consider to subscribe to the channel. Please subscribe the channel. This is a new channel and needs your support. So see you guys in the next video. Thank you very much.